Hi, first graders. How are you? It's me, Mrs. McClure, and today, this week, we're going to look at our new high frequency words for the week. So these are words that you should already know, but we are reviewing them and relearning them. If you aren't sure, you're going to know them by the end of this week. So let's take a look at our first word. I'm going to see if you know what this word is. What is this word that you see right here? Do. Can you say the word do? Like, do you want to be my friend? Or do you have a crayon that I can borrow? Can you use the word do in a sentence? Real fast. Use that word do in a sentence. Very good. And let's spell it. D-O spells do. And you can go ahead and you can skywrite it with me. So write your D-O spells do. Sorry, there's an airplane. Of all times, an airplane's flying over. Okay. Do. What is this word? Do. Very good. Do. Now let's look at our next word. What is this word? This is the word that you should know. But if you are not sure, I'm going to give you a moment. What is this word? The. Very good. This is the word the. The boy ran fast. The girl swam slow. Use the word the in a sentence. Very good. Repeat this word. What is this word? The word the. And we spell it like this. T-H-E spells the. All right, what is this word? You should know this word. Like. This is the word like. I like teaching first grade. Can you say a sentence with the word like? Very good. I like to go to the park. I like running. I like swimming. This is that word like. So let's spell it. L-I-K-E. That's the word like. Very good. Let's look at our next word. What is this word? We. Very good. We, like we are in this together. We are going to the movies. We are in the same class. I want you to think of a sentence that you can come up with the word we. Good. Very nice. So let's spell it. How do we spell this word? W-E spells we. So this is the word we. And let's look at our last word. This is our last word. Do you remember what this word is? This is the word one, like the number one. So, like we are number one in the state, or there is only one cookie left. Can you think of a sentence with the word one? Very good. The number one. And this is how we write that word for the number one. And it's O, let's spell it, O-N-E, one. Very good. So what is this word? One. Now let's go back and look at our other, let's review the word. So I'm going to flash the word to you and then you're going to tell me the name of the word. So what is this word? One. What's this word? We. Remember this one? Like. What's this word? The. Very good. And what is this word? Do. Let's go through them one more time. What is this word? Do. The. Like. We. One. So these are our high frequency words for the week, and our high frequency words are our sight words, are words that we know by sight. We know just by looking at them. We don't have to try to decode them. We don't have to try to sound them out. We have to remember what they are just from looking at them. So we're going to go through these words every single day this week, multiple times. And I'm going to show you what your assignment is for today. Okay, so this is what your assignment is going to be today. So these are the words that we just looked at and we just talked about. And your job is to read the word, to build it, and to write it. So here are the words that we just looked at. Remember, what is this word? Do, the, like, we, and one. So what we have to do first is it says we have to read it. So we read the word. This is the word do. We have to build it. So I'm going to grab my move tool here and I'm going to build that word. I'm going to move myself out of the way. So what letter comes first in the word do? The letter D. So I'm going to find the letter D, drag it there, and then what's the next letter in the word do? The letter O. So I'm going to find O and drag it. And we just built the word do. And now we're going to write it. So I can either use my pencil or my pen. I'm going to use my pen. And I'm going to pick red. And I'm going to try and write it. D-O spells do. So for each of these words, you are going to read it, you're going to build it, and you're going to write it. When you are done, you are going to click the green check mark to submit it to me. Okay? I hope you have a great day, and I'm going to be checking to see if you know these words.